Hey guys, it's John from Miles and John's Adventures. So we are going to pick up the camper in a little bit because it's ready. We had it serviced at the dealer we bought it from, so I'm waiting for Miles to get in the truck. They emailed me the copy of the bill, so I don't know what we're gonna see when we get there. It's at Marquardt RV is where we had it serviced. But anyways, so the first bill was because for the de-winterization and the maintenance check, the wheel bearings, all that. So to do the de-winterization, check the caulk, check the appliances, check the bearings, check the brakes, check the tires. That repair was, just that repair alone was $463 and 60 cents. That was just the maintenance, just the de-winterization. Then they came and sent me a quote of doing the caulk job on the roof and the sidewalls. Now this camper is 2 years old. This is our third season. And I'm going to make a video. I'm going to climb on the roof tomorrow morning and just double check to see what they saw. But that quote, I got it right here. It's $2,567 for the caulk. It was 6 hours labor to do the roof, which was, the parts were $167 and the labor was $1,137. The sidewalls reseal was 4 hours, $23 in parts, $758. And then the igniter on the stove didn't work, and that was basically like $300, but that was under warranty. So, but I told them not to do the caulking on the roof. I'm not paying $2,500. It just seems astronomically expensive. So and I thought that roof die-call stuff lasted like 5 years, if I'm right. I don't know. But I'm going to head up. Me and Miles are going to take the camper out tomorrow and do a test run on it after we pick it up, just to make sure the awning works and just make sure that it's worthy of going on a camping trip that we have coming up in 2 weeks. So, and then last but not least was the damage that I caused to the awning. So on the way up to the dealership, pulling in the parking lot, I sideswiped another RV. Dumb rookie mistake. I was in a rush, not paying attention. My fault. That repair job for a new awning was $3,063.56. That's what it cost to get a new awning put on and take the old one off. So we're gonna head up there and get the camper, and then I'll shoot a video of that, and then we're gonna take it out this weekend and just give it a test run, because we have a camping trip coming up the end of this month. We're going out for 4 days, and I want to make sure that this thing is intact. And if I do have to do the roof caulk, I already had a quote from 2 other dealers. They were like $800. So yeah, so me and Miles are gonna head up there, go with the camper, and we'll catch you on the other side. Thanks. Okay, so here's just a couple photos of it when we first dropped it off, when I damaged the RV, so you can see what it looks like. It was all the damage. Thank God it was just to the awning itself. It destroyed the side arms, the cloth. It ripped the top. So thank God it was only to the awning itself and no structural damage to the camper that we could tell. So it just gives you some reference points. Here we are. Miles and I are picking up the camper from after it being gone for, 45 days. And they put a new awning on it, complete. New roller, new cloth, new awning bar, side bars. But when they installed it, they ordered the wrong awning. There's no light underneath it. So now I gotta probably have to bring it back to have them try to add that. But, we're picking up it. We had the service done on it. There's Miles. But we're gonna take it home and see how it works, and probably have to bring it back for the light to add that to it. But at least we got it back in our possession. Okay, so I climbed up on the roof. This is me just checking it. The sound was horrible. It's so windy, so I have to record over it. But looking at the die-call sealant on all the mounts and like the solar panels and around the antenna, I don't see one issue except for maybe there's a dot by the back of the ladder, and one by the skylight, like a little nick in the decal. The rest of it is pliable. I mean, it's a little discolored, but the camper. This is our 3rd season, but there's no cracks in it. There's no bolts sticking through. There's nothing, but there's one spot on the back side of the sun roof there, the skylight, and one by the ladder bolt. I think I can just add a little bit to it, but you guys let me know if you guys see anything out of the ordinary. I try to get as best shot as I could, but I don't see an issue with it. But to spend $2,500, and I didn't see anything on the sidewalls either, so let me know what you think. So tomorrow we're going to take the camper out for a test run. We're going to stay one night at a local campground, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys.
Proceed 2 miles on 388th Avenue.